Okay, let's do something fancy. Let's go to the File menu and Save As Web Page. And let's check the Selection Sheet radio button, and then the checkbox for Add Interactivity, and then click the Publish button. And from the Choose drop list, let's select Range of Cells, and then click the Collapse button, and select the range A1 to D21 by clicking in A1, hold the mouse button down and drag to D21. Then let's click the Expand button, and then click the Change button alongside of Title, and let's type in Lara Corporate Sales. Don't I wish? And then we'll click the OK button, and then click the Browse button alongside of File Name, and let's ensure that we're in the XL2K Prof folder, and change the file name to Corp Sales. It'll add HTML onto that, and click OK, and then check the Open Published web page in Browser box and click Publish, and Internet Explorer will open with our spreadsheet. Let's click in B5, and we can see we can work with the spreadsheet in Internet Explorer. Let's close Internet Explorer, and there we are.